Welcome to aminacademy.com. In heat and mass transfer, let us discuss about general heat conduction equation regarding spherical coordinates. Look at this figure. Here, some element from the sphere is taken that measurements are given like shown in figure. Volume of the element is dr r d theta into r sine theta d phi. That is, this is the volume of elemental piece of the spherical. Let Qg equal heat generation, that is, it is in uniform per unit volume per unit time. K equal thermal conductivity and rho equal density and C equal specific heat. Let us discuss one by one here. First, net heat accumulation. Heat flow through r theta plane, that is psi direction. Heat influx equal, that is heat go inside, is q dash phi equal minus k dr r d theta into dou t by r sin theta d phi into dou tau. Let it be 1. Now heat efflux, that is heat go out, is q dash of phi plus d phi, which is equal q dash phi plus dou by r sin theta dou theta into q dash phi r sin theta by Taylor's expansion and simplification. Heat accumulation in phi direction is dq dash phi equal q dash phi minus q dash of phi plus d phi, which is equal, after substituting this we get minus 1 over r sin theta into dou over dou phi q dash phi into r sin theta d phi. Now which is further equal minus 1 over r sin theta dou by dou phi into minus k into dr into r d theta into 1 over r sin theta into dou t by dou phi into dou tau into r sin theta d phi. So which is equal k into dr into r d theta r sin theta d phi into 1 over r squared sin squared theta dou squared t over dou phi square into dou tau. That means we are differentiating partially. We got this one. Now heat flow in r phi direction, where theta is, that is in theta direction. The heat influx equal q dash theta equal minus k dr r sin theta into d phi into dou t by r dou theta into dou tau. Heat efflux, that is heat going out equal q dash of theta plus d theta, which is equal, by expansion, Taylor expansion, you have q dash theta plus dou by r dou theta into q dash theta r d theta. Then heat accumulation, by using these two equation, we will get heat accumulation in theta direction is dq dash theta equal to q dash theta minus subtraction of this one minus q dash of theta plus d theta, which is equal, by Taylor's expansion and simplification, we get minus dou by r dou theta into q dash theta into r d theta. Now we'll substitute this q dash theta like this. We'll get dou by r dou theta into minus k dr r sin theta d phi into dou t by r dou theta into dou tau into r d theta. Now we are simplifying further, which gives minus minus become plus, then k over r into dr into r d phi into r d theta over r into dou by dou theta of sine theta dou t by dou theta into dou tau. Now next one, third one, that is heat flow in theta phi direction, that is r direction. Therefore dq dash r equal q dash r minus q dash of r plus dr, which is by simplification we'll get minus dou by dou r into q dash r of dr, then which is further equal dou by dou r of minus k, Fourier formula we are using here, minus k r d theta into r sin theta d phi into dou t by dou r into dou tau into dr. Then simplification, that is minus minus become plus, then we are taking k out, k d theta into sin theta into d phi into dr into dou by dou r of r squared dou t by dou r into dou tau, which is equal k into dr into r d theta r sin theta into d phi into 1 over r squared into dou by dou r of r squared dou t by dou r into d tau. Therefore, we can combine all these three equations. We will get net heat accumulation, that is equal adding of these three things, k into dr into r d theta into r sin theta d phi into 1 over r squared sin squared theta into dou squared t over dou phi square, plus the second one 1 over r squared sin theta into dou by dou theta into sin theta dou t by dou theta. Then third one is 1 over r squared, that is here 1 over r squared into dou by dou r into r squared dou t by dou r into dou tau. That means we are taking this common factor out and we are adding these three things. Next, heat generated within the element. Here q dash g, that is a heat generated within the element, we are having q of g into dr r d theta r sin theta into dou phi d phi into dou tau. Third one, energy stored in the element equal rho into dr into r d theta into r sin theta into d phi into c is specific heat constant into dou t by dou tau into dou tau. Then dou tau will cut both here. Then adding 1 and 2 but equating 3, that is 1 plus 2 equal 3, we get energy balance equation. That is here take out common factor, that is k dr r d theta r sin theta into d phi into 1 over r squared sin squared theta into dou square t by dou square phi plus 1 over r squared sin theta into dou by dou theta of sin theta dou t by dou theta plus 1 over r squared dou by dou r into r squared dou by dou r into dou tau plus q of g dr into r d theta into r sin theta into d phi dou tau, which is equal to rho, that is density, into dr into r d theta r sin theta dou tau into c specific heat into dou t by dou tau into dou tau. That means we are equating, adding 1 and 2, then equated 3 by dividing both side by this expression, that is k dr r d theta r sin theta d phi into dou tau. That equation become simplified like, which is equal 1 over r squared sin squared theta into dou squared t by dou phi square plus 1 over r squared sin theta dou by dou theta sine theta dou t by dou theta plus 1 over r squared dou by dou r into r squared dou t by dou r plus q of g over k. So which is very simplified. We can get rho into c by k into dou t by dou z equal 1 over alpha into dou t by dou z. Here alpha is diffusion coefficient, heat diffusion coefficient, that is this one, Qg by k, 1 over Qg by k equal to alpha, that is here 1 over alpha dou t by dou z comes. Note, if there are not heat sources present and the heat flow is steady and one dimensional, then general equation becomes very simple, 1 over r squared d by dr into r squared dt by dr equal to 0. This is the general equation of heat conduction through spherical coordinates. Here this is such a big derivation, that is why I wrote fast and read it and explained. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.